around it in class. Here's my square sheet. To the center, I'm going to make this into a blue sheet. I'm going to move each edge on top of each other and make sure it's really tight. Now that our blueberries all around, we have to make our fish. And lastly, we'll use our blueberries. Using this blue sheet of paper. Anyways, I'm going to start cutting out the crown of the blueberry. Attached. Here's the and make sure to leave the blueberries in the comments below. The comments with the most likes win. This person gets a 9 out of 10, so now let's move on to our next one. And now let's have the results you guys wish. Now let's do all that you guys. Chocolate just came out. Let's start with the other side. It looks kind of like a cloud. Let's do the squish test. 3, 2, 1. You guys, it feels just completely stick. If you squish it though, maybe it needs more time to dry. This is a big fat mess. Oh my goodness, over my hand. I tried to dress you, you guys didn't have to. Well, maybe it was just the Elmer's glue sticks that didn't work. Because I have higher hopes for the chocolate sticks. I'm praying this blueberry needle doesn't fail me. And now let's demold it. It looks like a white chocolate waffle. Squish this. Okay, my nails. This feels nothing like a chocolate squishy. It feels like non-sexy chunks. Guys, I think it's called completely bamboozled. 0 out of 10. I would follow my guys. And I love you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Alfie discovered a meteorite in his backyard. Your turn, Alfie. A meteorite is a rock body.
Like 99% bombs, I trust Chrono Gold, the only one who can prevent apocalypse. Chrono Gold.
Hey, this form all the time. Balik ko na ko. Kaya lahat na nag-means ka na nila. Oh, easy. Gaganin natin na may skip na yun.